Hello guys, today I'll show you how to use shortcuts. It's really easy and simple. First of all, subscribe to me, like the video, comment what do you want to make next, share it with all your friends, and now I'll show you how to do. So guys, first of all, you have to write shortcuts or just go into shortcuts. I'll show you how to I'll show you one thing, okay? If you press the plus button right here, and then if you press on open app, and then press on app, and then let's try what should we try? Let's try YouTube. And now let's press on let's leave it like this. Then first of all go to Google, and then let's write you can like any kind of YouTube stuff, or you can just make your own. So for now I'm just gonna write neon YouTube icons. Yeah, so now we're going to select okay, so I think this one looks kind of good. I know it's not a good quality, but it will look good because it's not gonna be like zoomed in. Save it and then go back to shortcuts, press on the settings on the app right here, and then press on the open app, and then go to this part right here, and then go to one second, you have to go back here. Actually you have to this is a shortcut, but open app, so slide over. I think so you have to okay, let's redo it. Press open app, YouTube there, and then press let's go to the I think which one was it? Forgot, but it should be one of the, one second, I forgot how to do it, but let's search it up. Open app, and then I think so we have to go to here, and then add to home screen. Yes. So you have to go to here, and then press on add to home screen, then press on this icon right here, the small icon, press on choose photo, and then I'll take this one and then save it. Oh, see, I know it looks bad right now, but see it will look good on like an iPhone or something. Let's change the place. It still looks bad, but still I think after zoom in a bit, or get a new one, you can just find the one perfect for your device, just right, one for iPad or iPhone, or yeah, or a mobile device. Yeah, and then you will find the one for your device, and that's how you, that's one thing which I showed you. You did more a lot more things you can do, but that I'll show you next time. I hope you like the video. Comment what do you want me to make next, share with all your friends, and now bye.